Ayumre ya mo adwo ebia amo akwaba de abade big agenda dwumadi so na eye ukwada aka nefuansia na bosumi ede akogu sansene 24th day of June 2020 ebraso se asempo kese pa wo memu a wo se di ho nkomo na ede topa so na yetwitwa ne so wo hwia na me no the big agenda Ronald Motors a woton ka papa emono chia na se de atwi kakra obenya bie wono madama na dwumadi ye de ebre wone ewiase afa na nyina obi ehwe ewo adomonline.com ko adom tv ye Facebook anase YouTube a ubetimi ahwe afi ubetimi afollow @ampofoje wo Instagram na bibia akọ kama medi na nase apofoje nya den ene edi ho nkomo meka say education minister Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, who happens to be a medical doctor our University of Ghana Medical Center or train the results and krano eba HSA coronavirus yade ho results na panino train na sɛdeɛ enkomo na ehuhu papa wonya bi ana wonya bi na wonya bi so na onim sɛ bibisa ekoso wɔ ne widiem ɛna na no memene da wɔ delegates ɛwɔ Manhyia South ekokohye na enim sɛ Manhyia South ɔkɔ ono post deɛ nanso acclamation ekoso no ɔne dom ɛna ekokohye ye ba behwɛ ne laboratory scientist a ɔno coronavirus yi ekono ne coronavirus no ba bia de nani ahwɛ ɛho nkomo bi di na nase apofoje yetwe homra Eyamo akwa babiem Ronald Motors Nyankopon hyiamo papa se mo ma Ghana fo ka papa ayeto na kakra mo nya nso modi bi aso big agenda dwumadie no asene enne enkomo ayedie no coronavirus se meka sei ekum presiding member bi ewo ayija empotem ho no mo papa yi ena no da iso okoto abakra ewo fori krom ewo MPP amanyuko na abato ekoso no na na ninua ene medical director ofiri mu ewo Kumase kwada so SDA hospital no eno nkomo da nchen ye education minister Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh se meka say yaginato University of Ghana medical center ya sabia ho a chese all train results na ye na se ede anxiety ehu kakra ababeto nipa ewo Manhyia South eso ni nyina ne se enanu ya na pani memene de ya no mu kodi nhyiamude ye ma ne nsa so bra abato ankoso mpotem de ne nso amanyuko na chitafo delegates ni ade nyina behia ya wo ma ne nsa so se nyame yadma 2020 wona ese ginam aprem na hidwen fie edwa 1 amanyuko no edimu na ehu no se etise Alhaji Abubakar Alhassan wono ena eye donfrefo Manhyia South empotem ye ne no eni nkomo Alhaji wote ye nkan nwumre ye mo adwemo akwaba
Mejusu nana
Alhaji na bibia bokọ de
ya menadum
Yet any sir Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh napo ji ayagina to University of Ghana Medical Center all train results efa coronavirus no edi hu kakra aba constituency nim asemi enokre
yo nana ele tifu ina me mamu ina ajo le motie no entisa poti sene amansan etino.
All right, eti me hunu said yet why?
And the credit woman say eda fia da oba Kumase ema ene no nanti all the electoral areas. Ekoye party ejuma ekuta 6 electoral areas. Yene ne ko all the 6 electoral areas. Meka say Kumase abonti obi anim Ashtown ne Manhyia South. Tene ne ka setete. Ye the 45 minutes and the chin baby, a baby, I know what you may do 15 minutes. Me, I because I'm in a constituency organizer. I'm here in the Casama for Power Party. You be a damn that was share call situation executive coordinators, and any human way. Emum and the crew, when say, well, we were soon hold the donor until I did chair or better also Akko Accra. And I'm saying, kind of credit that you are to us Accra. Send your back to work at more official and so me did send the ministry I official communication. I chere the test ya okoye ye last week I chere say we positive all the various tests now you know. Me need this results be about every isolated center no and University of Ghana Medical School no center no bibi a chere say ebia e hwe no moja mu COVID-19 ni sa yareboni bi abefra ne mojani mu enti we de meka kire amansan na Ghana fo yina ni party fo no se nya yenye otwan hum kosi se doctor follow report no beba kakra metimi aka no.
All right. Wa ma ya tia se yankasa kra nso ye wa twen mu sa na se de yete se ade no yade no ni hu a ebo nkrofo titiru se ye beka se ya twe obi mogya mpo kwa akoso ahwe no ehu no ato nipa bi so e wa bato mpesua so na wo kire se nye sa na tie na enkomo ben no mu di mpesua ne so se wo ho ide
oh enya mi pesua so asemanhia south nko o mamu nyina me kasa yi me phone fiti ena na pe ya frefre mia ma fidie me de power bank na nam e o mamu nyina na yi charge ajo esa se ya readie esa na me kan and Dr. Matthew Poku Prempenso, a buyer, all the protocols were a bank no, Udiso, almost all medical doctor. And to who send and who see and send me now, who dear see no. Was said a moon, on one safe, on one or two the car. Equa isolated Santano. Make us say your buyer, so all the protocols you share every letter area, you share Bibia, your constituency. Who are only nose marks, rim. The Biblia was a session a beya, pepeya, a bay, all the protocols would do so, or no more ebishano. After 3-4 hours, no assessano. Would didn't who send ya, Taya Boni, in Soja, Yaka, Yakupon Quanin, a chong hum kakra. Sanabeya, then tin some money, dear Fano. It would be a Biaka constituency. Make us say, baby, I'll quite ding. Ubia. Munina, your constituency, dear. The castle, and that's some good on. I say, Huina, as I say now, say, a Hunini horse also, was our Bajatum say, who know her, no credit in my free. Oh, say, will be Simon. All of my air train near the positive results are better. But our question, yes, Intermacati, who actually pay you. Eti roughly no delegates best say no munya contact within time ya oka say 150 minutes crowd baby. Oh. Say no sika idea. Say no how. As a minimum me ya contact tracing home. Mete say okasi mu ubewie na ope contact tracing ala me boa. Mate de oka na say. Nti nyenduru hokra. All right. Abubakar ma ye na wase na ye mfa wo ensi na ebrepa woje ye eni edi nkomo Alhaji Abubakar Alhassan na eye organizer e wo Menhia South a chese yera Matthew Opoku Prempe na wokọ eye abato mpesua no so no ano ne nam ne wura bebia ye bo moden si ye bebo wura eye education ministry ho na yakọ akwakoto ankomo no so anye bia ministry ho so se na situation ne sitie ho so ehu bu abonkrofo na but ade wo mu ne se ye betwe obi emoja na se ne hu bibi se ye cheke coronavirus no eno enye definite se nipa no wonya re bia na so wonya bi nemum de ehu ne se ebia woni nipa no enye nhyiamude na wankasa so wo so atete afa so ade afa baabi bebre within time na resource ne beba any time na ye de twɛn no ena ya na ehu kakra ho ba I hope say bibia ebekọ kama na yeguso aso ene eye mpanifo a wo University of Ghana Medical Center no edidi nkomo atie de ebefiri emu aba na meka say enye ho nko se wode wani ekire eye lab technicians ahodo a wo omamu a me omayu issue statement na mepese me kan kakra bi e de akire mo o say the Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists with heavy heart announces that one of its professionals has passed on to glory on Monday 22nd June. The cause of the death was COVID-19 and he will be buried on 25th June 2020 in Kumasi. The medical laboratory professional was rushed to Komfo Teaching Hospital emergency unit on Friday 19th June and after having trouble in breathing. Let's just say papa no wobre ya nsana wo firi mu na ne ho memu nsem no edin kakra. Sabre mamehwe de wo ahoma no so na yene ne entoa enkomo no eso we Ghana Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists for Dr. Dennis Edu Jesse. Doc, and me ultimate come mo adwo akwa ba.
Ambacho mejo so atiatie for so.
Mejiri se bibia bokode.
Yesu adom araho ne shuro kakra na eho na nso ye be ne den.
Adwuma mo ye mo yesa sojafo asisi ye di mo gina akono nipa ye twe omo emoja naso ono ho ade se munhwe se yare no mum ni nyina no muso nyina no monkwa edansaye mu se de yete ne se mode hye baako afiri mu a chese na no fie de ya na yare no bo no a ade chie no na se yare no atwe no eno adwe na no dwade na yare no edne ko no kurani asem no abomu hu ewo adwuma no ho a se ebi no kura be mu abu ana
but you said your work and one na media can say the slow aba when him say this is the risk associated with the Juma war, you know. As much as ubehu say enubetimi esi no aya na say ebisia ema ehuno ekosro but for us no, this is also a caution say said the yare here pandemic in tokwa queen in di kan ba ye no the professional body no di kan bokoko say akodia ye hia ne niema ye hia no ye make sure say as professionals no ye be dress put them up anytime be I was say we adwuma whenever you are called to duty and also say e braba e was ye koswa na ye shemu kina na obi relax at any point in time you're making sure we get to it. You better say then the ultimate no, your employers in this sense no, a casino no, buying our in the various health facilities. The personal protective equipment and the levels of biosafety are here. They be handle COVID-19 samples, COVID-19 patients. In fact, obi ba your patient, your only patient, your COVID-19, the only COVID-19. So you are virtually exposed and to assume say obia ubishiano in the health facility and particularly in the lab ubiano, irrespective of test or babayano. It's a potential threat to your health. And what's it about any employee for what in boy and
Doc, mami misawo specifically colleague ya wafiri mu ehemfa na wo ye adwuma na o baby a oba in contact with COVID-19 test kits na simple test na mo ye ni bia na
but ona o ye adwuma nkasa wo Weja Gbawe municipal I think say Weja ho formerly Gas South hono no o ye adwuma but in March now you started enhanced contact tracing, you know.
Okay.
Now Odimu Akutenepa in the sample collection, and Sajuma Dieno. But when Niyama called from Kakra, then he resumed to his duties as a lab professional now or hospital. And he said, Nanuya or Kwakosa, because the Bushia ewo Kumasi or one Grammy and the last one is just 2 months old.
Wow.
Or Kwakosa just last week, and it's a Friday now. Difficulty in breathing a Russian convanochi emergency unit. Jordan na yanti asempa or dear film. Confidence and 70 or section a no, etimi kokokrano. Near Yakran say with all the protocols in Intino, the Pabe 15 and allowed to go and bid him farewell. And it's a difficult time for the family, for the wife, for the kids, and even the parents of the scientists. But yabede shani yabeshe on they say radin kan na in these difficult times you know the ashibia no omunchichiro onre na nyame na ono ade ma na oje no the ashi no and asia na ebekoso de ama no na ne aka chire no mete ebesia no kwan na bibisa no ebia nsibio
doc let's just metie de okay ya wanyare na ho
pacho da bi nya de se o yare da ho je o yare a e ka no ho and it's a difficulty in breathing in the Russian economy because our Accra Jumamni so too quite call Kumasia when a Kokosi or no.
Asamu. Say, Saswana Musun and Saint Temo baby, FPPs, adequate protective gears up. Mubehianam Dia Jumano, a Bawano said ye, a was a eba, and now a beer way, and you know, soon you wake up call be my buying him penny for. Say the drone na yehu enti mamo fa ne ma bi ni agro
wake up call no dear the last time I check here and I think we've done not less than 11 presses it's an the first case of COVID in Ghana ala before yakoswa year of Frebebre and in each of our releases we have made that call there PP is no is always never adequate. The problem is that we say disposable. And that area because may share na see asia share. And you know say because I could donate 10,000 krana. That 10,000 no. That's when we kunya even 3-4 suspected cases our facility. Now I was more isolate you. I'm sure more copies or more results be called to the central lab na siaba. Near who say COVID and I COVID. So we see no plus more routine work more because hospital and two near COVID in Kwanson are okay. So all other things are we beyond. You need a PPE. It's never been adequate. And even Kranos a provider, the other matter is the quality of it is also probably something we may have to look at it. And the call not there is great for us to call on the government, the employers there. At all material moment, the safety of the people is paramount. The other thing, and it's in one of our releases, your biosafety level. Biosafety, hey, now we handle samples of COVID-19 patients. What you say? And this is very, very much unavailable in most of our facilities.
Doc, what you're bringing to my phone, Sina, you better say, Sanko, if you're in Yamia, watching a echo, Dr. Dennis Edujesi, and a Kasama for Emma, a lab scientist, and what is the leading command. Quickly, young Ministry of Education, you say, bet me, and a Kwasi or being for Sua, where Kasama for the Emma Dr. Matthew Poko, Education Minister. I was to make her. Honorable, I want to say.
Oh, boy, I don't know where
There is also number.
Oh, Debbie, it's Petro John of Pay. Then you know what my chain. About or not, I what say about no. Let me ask you, Johnny, the room. The banner negative, no banner trade you also. The banner positive, send it or not, what, also agile. I could point out Dumna, a sunny area, no, sorry, the rabbit trade you also.
ABC, you're detaining, ABC admitting. Edi enti minim se no test de nkaja ye twe sample ni wi a bia ye jaw ma kwa na se baby na ya gina to ya sabia is it that serious ne yade no ana se ne ho emfa no no
aminya de tell se to be kaya se minim se mo hwe mo amunyu eyi amuyi no kwasi aga no ene adwada no pa na ene ne kwa ne koye la teacher exam na only ono
I was it down crash or home and literature. Hello?
But hello.
Me patch my affair metonka.
I didn't tell on your name, obi a medical doctor, wa woni tia. Woni na bibi kra o what us for more prior ya no aka with the mom test, mo kon test. Ono aso no he no do na no si o dabi. Mo kon test. Na okọ ni test we no. Na o ka say wa be test no once the result ni na ma no. Very proper say on graduate. Now over isolate in watching the banner positive our trust share a banner say negative. No,
and there's a question to the okay as ya on one casa opt say over that facility ho at train Sabeya say bibi umpa and all endanger the lives of others.
On one coin, no, what you got about to just say virus the movie and movie. Where movie.
All right.
So no, already with you just negative crana. You said to me at a point in time.
I was saying, Mamina was I think say you've given us some amount of information. Mamina was a papa, Bra Waje, I was being for Sue, a Casama former, the education minister, and I'll say, 18 command. I say, bueno, you better with some resource in your banner according to the what kind of minister and Casano so down. You say, Bia, I Sabiana admitting because of the seriousness of the situation. Yem facade no entry a trim na a so. People say also common lab technicians all frontline workers no enko sanse say on mo enkwa no akwakọ dansa ni mpa ma mefa na se e ma body line a wo ma me shirt papa ye hyemi aja fe no 0268 009 353 0268 009